Hello, children. Welcome to Enjoy Stories. In this series, we will be reading one story every episode. This is a part of my endeavor to encourage children to take to reading and collect books. Wishing all the very best. Today, we will read the story The Donkey in a Lion's Skin. This story is from Hitopadesh Tales, written by Narayana Pandit. Once upon a time, there lived a poor washerman in a city. He worked very hard to earn his living. The washerman woke up at dawn and went to many houses to collect dirty clothes. Then he carried the heavy pile of dirty clothes to a pond near his house to wash them. After washing the clothes, he dried them in the open area around the pond. Once the clothes were dry, he ironed and folded them and returned them to the respective houses. All this work tired him completely. The washerman longed to take a nap in the afternoon. He often said to himself, "I wish I had some help." However, there was no one to help him. One day, as he was walking to the pond, the washerman found a lion's skin on the ground. He picked it up and kept it carefully in his house. The next day, the washerman saw a donkey wandering in the fields. He thought, "I don't think this donkey belongs to anyone. I will take him with me and use him to help me with my work." From the next day onwards, the washerman made the donkey carry the heavy load of clothes. Thus he was less tired and able to wash more clothes. His business prospered. The washerman began to earn a lot of money, but he was a miser. He made the donkey work very hard, but gave him nothing to eat. He tied the donkey to a tree with a long rope so that the animal could wander around eating grass. This was the only food the donkey got during the day. Soon the weather became hot and all the grass dried up. With no food, the donkey became thin and weak. As the days passed, it became difficult for him to carry the heavy load. So he started walking slowly. This irritated the washerman and he started beating the donkey to make him walk faster. The washerman thought, "Without food, the donkey will die, and I will have to do all the work myself again." Suddenly, he remembered the lion's skin that he had picked up a few days ago. He thought, "If I place the lion's skin on the donkey and let him loose in the nearby cornfield, he can eat to his heart's content. People would think he is a lion and not stop him. In fact, they would run away, scared that he would eat them." So the washerman let his donkey loose in the field at night. The donkey ate to his heart's content and returned home happily in the morning. This went on for many days. The cornfield owner was disturbed that his crop was being destroyed. When he went to the field to check, he saw an animal that looked like a lion. He got scared and ran away. The owner then sent his guards to the field. Late at night, the guards saw a lion come there. They were surprised to see him eating corn. The guards thought he was a strange creature and hatched a plan to trap him. One of the guards wore a brown sack and stood in the corner of the field. When the donkey looked up, he mistook the brown sack for another donkey, and lo, he brayed loudly in pleasure. Hearing him bray, the guards realized that it was a donkey and not a lion. They caught hold of the donkey in disguise and beat him to death. Thus, the miserly washerman lost his donkey and was forced to do all the work himself again. The moral of this story is cheats are always caught. Hope you all enjoyed watching this, children. Do subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Thank you, and we will meet again with another story.